Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you guys how you can share a link on Snapchat. So first press the camera button, and I'm just going to take a random picture of a black screen, and then to share a link there's this paperclip icon. You're going to want to type a URL or copy it. I'm just going to copy a link. So share a video and then press copy link. After that I'm going to press paste and then press allow. Just press paste and then press go. Hold on. Press go and then press attach to snap. And then it's going to sort of add on this link, and then when you post it on your story, people can click on that link and it'll direct you to that link. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.